The first step in our block is computing the interest. So we do that here, compute interest. We need now check if the period of loan equals M. Loan period equals M, the current month. So we have added a decision box for that. If the condition is true, we need to exit. For that, we go through the condition at the end of the loop. We next prompt the user if another line should be displayed. That is, if this evaluates to false. So we prompt user. We need to check the response from the user. We assume that the response is stored in a variable called response. So we add a decision box to check if response equals n. If the response is n, we must exit. So this is the branch for exiting. If response is not n, we must increment m. M is m plus 1. And we have the exit condition here for exiting from the loop. And we go back to this step if we are not exiting. So here is the exit condition. If the exit condition says that we are not exiting, we will go back. So while this condition is true, we will be continuing the loop. So true. Here is the false. Now, what do we need to do in these two cases? When the loan period is equal to M or when the response is equal to no. For that, what we are going to do is introduce a Boolean variable called continue loop, and we set that to false over here. So we set continue loop to false. Continue loop to false. And we do the same thing here. Continue loop to false. And from here we go to the exit condition, and continue loop is to be true for you to continue. So if continue loop is true, we will go back and compute the interest again. If continue loop is false, we will be having the condition evaluated to false and we will exit the loop.